As summer continues, places like California become more prone to wildfires. WNCT First Alert meteorologist Marquise Mita's in Morehead City this afternoon with a look around the world. Marquise?
Yes, Ken, as we continue throughout the summer, temperatures are scorching. Thankfully, as we live local here in Morehead City, we're a few degrees cooler than the temperatures we saw inland. Nevertheless, though, as temperatures continue to rise throughout the summer, so does your chance of seeing a wildfire, especially in California. That's exactly what we're going to talk about as we watch this Round the World segment. But before we get into it, if you ever have a weather question, feel free to shoot an email to mmita@WNCT.com. But let's get started. Wildfires are a hot summer weather headline, especially within the United States, where they're known to burn more than 5 million acres of land each year. A hot spot for this phenomenon is going to be the arid landscape of the Californian Valley, where over 20% of wildfires within the United States occur. We're going to head there right now, but before we get started, let's discuss what a wildfire is. There are massive uncontrolled infernos that pose not only a threat to landscapes, but also life. 90% of wildfires burned within the United States are caused by humans. Causes can be campfires left unattended, the burning of debris, downed power lines, discarded cigarettes, or intentional arson. The remaining 10% of wildfires are related to natural causes, such as lightning or lava flow. Throughout 2018, there were over 58,000 separate wildfires, which accounted for more than $20 billion worth of damages. In order for a wildfire to grow, you're going to need 3 ingredients. These are a heat source, fuel, and oxygen. Together, these factors are known as the fire triangle. But what about the Californian Valley creates the perfect conditions for these elements to manifest? Well, in order to see the bigger picture, you're going to need to start with the upper atmosphere. Here in the jet stream, fast-moving winds of over 200 miles per hour create a ridge-like pattern over the western portion of the United States. If you follow this pattern down to the surface, you'll find a high-pressure center where the winds rotate clockwise around it. Depending on the positioning of this pressure center, the winds will be pulled in from the northeast, picking up speed as they travel over mountaintops. 2 key components happen here. The process is called orographic lifting. First, strong moving winds rain out a mass majority of the moisture that they compiled on the windward side of the mountains. Therefore, as the winds descend from the mountaintops, they're going to heat up and dry out as they begin to compress. Dry, hot air provides the oxygen needed for the fire triangle. Fast-moving winds, well, they act as the fuel. And the cigarette you left behind at a campsite can be the heat source needed to complete the trifecta. So next time you're having a smoke, or maybe even leaving a campsite, take the extra time to properly extinguish your controlled fire, because a peaceful scene like this, well, it can quickly turn into this. From the Weather Center, Marquise Mita, 9 on your side.